Gravity Assisted Power project. We've completed the alterations. Nothing's square. It'll require a rebuild, but it's working well enough at this point to let's see if we can get it going, to move on and add the windshield wiper motor. So we got 12 pounds on it now, and everybody remembers the hammer and feather on the moon falling at the same speed or rate. Anyways, they hit the ground at the same time, and so I'm not expecting an increase in RPM. It'll max out, and that'll be it, no matter how much weight you have on the rotating arm. But there's a lot more torque, and if you get the speed up to its maximum up to its max, it has considerable torque at the back tire. Like at this point, you'd hurt yourself if you grabbed onto the back tire. So it'll produce a max current with one permanent magnet alternator, and then we'll add a second permanent magnet alternator and potentially double the output. That's the that's the plan, anyways. So at this point, things are still looking positive. We're going to add the windshield wiper motor and then the permanent magnet alternator, and then we'll be able to do some testing and determine what kind of outputs we're getting. If you need more torque, you just stick another weight on the rotary arm, and hopefully the windshield wiper motor will be able to handle the extra load. And then what are we going to do? Oh yeah, the pulse width modulator on the windshield wiper motor to adjust the speed of the oscillation of the tilt table. And then we'll use the same pulse width modulator circuit to reduce the back EMF on the PMA. And between the two pulse width modulators, we'll be able to adjust RPM of the rotary arm by varying the amount of by varying the pulse at the input and the pulsing at the output. And we'll try to come up with some happy medium. I noticed you get like maximum speed if you it's like a 1 in 3 quadrant is when it requires the shift, and the closer you get to the tilt axis, the easier it is to do the shift. So that's basically it for all the parameters. Let's see here. Oh, got out of time. Oh yeah, and timing is everything. So once you get a good steady oscillation,